time for Ask a Cat Lady. Ask me questions. Go ahead. Okay. Today's question comes from Cat Lover, and she wants to know, how do I know if my cat has fleas? Huh? See if this works. A flea can be a bit of a pest. A flea can swiftly infest your kitty. They feel a bit gritty. One way to tell is scratch and scritch, the persistence of an itch and red skin, in the worst case lesions. When you are a parasite, you can't love because you live the life of your host. You can't break free, you just suck because you're a flea. A flea. Also try a fine-tooth comb, evict those suckers from their home and pop them in a napkin. Yum yum. Rub your cat with a moist towel, see if there is dirt that falls and turns red, cause they poop out cat blood. When you are a parasite, you can't love cause you live the life of your host. You can't break free, you just suck cause you're a flea. A flea. Don't wait to take care of it, or you'll have a colony on your pet. Let's go to the chorus pistol, yeah. When you are a parasite, you can't love cause you live the life of your host and you can't break free. You just suck cause you're a flea. A flea. It's a comb for fleas. It's a fine tooth comb. And then grab behind the ears, sort of by the neck if you can. And then you want to scoop. Be really embarrassed if she has fleas. She doesn't have fleas. But this is where fleas like to hide. It's right behind the ears, at the neck. If there were fleas, you would see them at the edge of the comb, and then you take your fingernail and humanely put them down. Dear little pollen, you are so cute. I will not put you into a stew.